Welcome to Second Chance. I just thought it would be better if we can just have a proper cleanup of this house because I am really trying to love it. Um, Obviously, before we finalize whether we'll go ahead with the renovations or knock it down. But then what you're saying, that's the view from the veranda. So you'll be literally looking at the front garden. It consists of a decent sized swimming pool, and in front there is French doors. So I'm just going to walk towards the main entrance, which leads you into this small dining room. Yeah, there's some cracks or ceiling and flooring. So from dining room, that leads you into the kitchen. It's a bit strange. They've got actually the cooker facing the window. Bit strange. I'd rather have a sink in front of a window, but who knows? There could be reason. I suppose maybe it could have been like electrical cable routing for the cooker was just behind that wall. There is an outside distribution board, but nonetheless. So, anyways, now heading into the lounge. Um, there is actually nice natural lighting that floods in through the French doors. I know most people they don't like it, but it tends to actually favor the old style steel French doors compared to the new aluminium doors. But anyway, that's just my opinion. Yeah, so that's the lounge. Yeah, there are actually some features that I like about this room. I like the fireplace and those louvered doors. I'll probably try to keep those. Then I'm not sure what it is actually. I think it was meant to be a lobby, but there's no door. So now in the bathroom, um, I love this cast iron bathtub, but obviously it needs some serious cleaning. Um, so yeah, that's the hallway. Again, now the view with the blinds fully opened. Typical of these type of houses, really. A linen cabinet. Yeah. Again, it's just like these molds on the ceiling. But again, I think it's just a matter of like sorting out the roof. Then now I'm just gonna head into bedroom one. There is nice lighting, and it's actually overlooking the front garden. You've got a view of the swimming pool. Um, I like this room because I don't think there will be too much work required here. So that's the room. It's decent room. Obviously these carpets, we're just gonna rip them off. I will try to keep these doors because that's solid wood. Solid wood that is. I don't know whether I'm just being tight, but nowadays the hood that you get for your money, it's rubbish. So yeah, that's bedroom one for you. Let me know what you think. Again, like they've been trying to paint these ceilings, I think, just to hide some molds. Then from there, uh, I will take you to bedroom 2. Now this room is quite dingy. I don't know what you think, guys, and I just don't like that arc. It looks like an extension. It's barely a meter wide, and look at the height of the ceiling, man. Yeah, it's quite low. I'm not sure what we can do, but I think we're gonna have to be quite creative. It's really awkward. Yeah, I can't get like a proper angle to show you this room, but there is potential. Um, I think most likely what we can do, it'll be knocking down this arc. Yeah, yeah. I think that thing just needs to calm down. Then again, solid wooden doors. And now I am in the main bedroom. I love the lighting in this room. God, the previous owner was literally obsessed with mirrors, mirrors everywhere. So we've got a French door that leads to the side garden. God, this place is like desert, red soil everywhere. And yeah, there is a crack that sort of protrudes through to the exterior wall. Most likely we might have to pin that area. We'll see. Good decent size windows. Again, most likely I'll be just keeping these steel windows. And now walking into the dressing room, dressing area. Yeah, we've got these these walls, man, they're moldy, man. Oh, look at that. The ceiling off it. Yeah. So perhaps they didn't manage to paint to hide the molds on the ceiling. It's most likely, I think we're just gonna have to do the roof just to ensure it's watertight. Yeah, I can see some stains. But yeah, it's decent size. To be fair, this side, the doors, they look fairly new. Then that's the answer. Wow, these cleaners, they proper gave it a nice clean. Yeah, he's just tired. Then that's the area where, structural, we're gonna have to see what we can do.